Items in a series should all work equally well with the beginning of the sentence. Mark will contact the clients, assess their needs, and he will send us a report. Let's check to see if these are parallel. Mark will contact the clients. Mark will assess their needs. He will send us a report. If the items in the list don't all sound equally good with the first part, the brain has to work harder. Rewrite this sentence so all the elements of the list are parallel and begin with a strong verb. Mark will contact the clients, assess their needs, and send us a report. When you see commas linking a list of words, phrases, or clauses, you're probably dealing with items in a series. Our employees are bright, hardworking, and they are a little bit quirky. That last item doesn't quite work. Make sure that each of your items fits with the introduction. Our employees are bright, hardworking, and a little bit quirky. Test yourself on this one. I like to bake enormous muffins, attending polka festivals, and Minecraft. Look at the items in the series. Do they all work equally well with the first part of the sentence? That doesn't look right. How can you fix it? I like to bake enormous muffins, attend polka festivals, and play Minecraft. Getting parallelism wrong drives some people absolutely crazy. Learn to do it right in case your boss, your significant other, or your pest control salesman is among them.